Alright, here's the long tour of the Brookstone. It's a 38.5-foot live-in type camper. It's got some speakers on the outside. I don't know if they work. A lot of storage. Oh, I can't really do it with one hand though. Big storage space. And the previous owner left some stuff behind. Propane goes in there. We're gonna go inside first because that's what's most important on something like this. It's got a nice big kitchen. Actually has some counter space. A nice microwave, double door fridge. Both sides open up separate. Same with the freezer. And then a good sized pantry here. And another, I guess this is like a coat closet here. The table and chairs is missing. Figure somebody will get what they want there. But the couch is new. Both recliners are new. It's got a nice little fireplace. It's got a TV that comes up out of the... You just have to hold it for a minute. Alright, I'm gonna stop there. But lots of storage up above, storage down below, more storage up here. But as you can see, this is a nice big area. Nice living room, kitchen area. And up this way, you got some more storage here. It has a brand new continuous water heater. Queen size bed, but it looks like it has room for maybe a bigger mattress, but lots of drawers, cabinets, really big closet in here. And then right here is washer dryer hookup and or more closet space. And then if you come back this way, we walked past the bathroom, but the bathroom has a nice shower that's tall enough for 6-footer plus, sink, 2 mirror vanity things. Flooring in there is brand new. We changed it because somebody else put some really ugly stuff in there. So coming around. No leaks from the roof. The roof looks really good. Three big slides on this side and the one on the other. That's your brand new water heater. The other side of the storage, and all your water controls are here. Propane is here. This one weighs 11.8 empty. Oh wait, 13.1 empty. I was way off. So you're definitely gonna need a big truck for this one. This is not half-ton towable. But there you go.